Homebuyers, do you want to stand out and get your offer accepted? Recent housing trends show that the market is about to heat up as we move into spring. To stay ahead, you'll need to present a competitive and compelling offer. Hey everyone, I'm David Janssen. Let me share some powerful strategies to help you secure your dream home. First off, before you even start house hunting, meet with a trusted lender to confirm your financing and try to get fully underwritten. A basic pre-approval is great, but a fully underwritten pre-approval is an absolute game changer. You see, being fully underwritten means that your lender has already verified and approved your documents like pay stubs and bank statements, and this makes your offer look stronger. This step of being fully underwritten alone shows sellers that you're serious and ready to close quickly. Then there's actual cash. We've all heard the phrase, cash is king. If you're in a position to make a full cash offer, you automatically stand out. A cash offer eliminates the uncertainty of a mortgage for the seller and can even speed up the closing process. Next, you want to be flexible and strategic with your terms. Flexibility is key in a competitive market. Consider sweetening your offer by being accommodating to the seller's needs, whether it's a longer closing time or waiving some minor contingencies. However, don't compromise too much. Contingencies like inspection, appraisal, and loan approvals are your safety net. All of these strategies will put you as a buyer in a stronger position to get your offer accepted in a competitive market. And remember, this market moves fast, and you should too. Reach out today so we can guide you through every step of the process. We'll show you available inventory, pricing trends, and help you write an offer that stands out. Once again, I'm David Janssen. We've been providing exceptional real estate services since 2010, and we look forward to working with you.